Ka mahakum arja apusan kawai na kijinyalang niam kabahe tam ha ka history jong ubin riu kala poino asha ka bakut mentagas ngi ha Prayagraj Uttar Pradesh kabadeiru ka maha shivatri katba ki Riew Ngeit kidang Tuid Sha Triveni Sangam kajaka kindu lang jong kawa Ganga Yamuna bat kawa Saraswati na kabenta ka Shahi Snan ne ka Jingngam Khatduh bat nadu basdang ka te ka jingle niam kumban riu pusan keluar kinong let pilgrim nakari India bat Kylleng kari ka perthai kila poi shakate ga jaka palat nyopau lak ngut kibriu kila shimbenta ha ka Jingngam bakhuj minta ka stamp hadu ka por khandai shiteng katkum ka jingkhen ki bor sarkar ringkat ka jingpen ha biki sintiu naki helicopter harut kawa bat nakaliang ki bor sordar jong ka Uttar Pradesh kila pentiknaru kilat pahara ki babyang ringkat ki kor CCTV ban pinne ya ka syong suk syong san ki babon na ki nongyalam na Kylleng ka perthai kila ai ka jingyaro ya ka tei ka jingle niam ban pin iru ya ka jingrew spa ka kolshor jong kari India.
My name is Antonella. I come from Italy. Makum is astonished. I'm very happy to be here. I fall in love with Indian culture and in love with Indian people, colors, blissful of the situation in this complete chaos. Apparently chaos, there is something that is so spiritual and full of meaning.
My name is Malak. This is my first time I'm in India. I came all the way through New Delhi, and then I came just into here to experience this amazing adventure. It's have been very nice experience. I recommend anyone come and just to see this crowd, how spiritual, how nice is the whole experience here to dip into the river. And that's it. Come to India.
My name is Dominique Dron. I'm coming from France. And today just I discovered the Kumbh Mela. It's the greatest event I ever see in my life, with so many people so keen on the location, on the gods, on their tradition, on the culture. And it's very impressive to see this harmony between people, the rivers, the skies, and the collective mind. So it's a great thing, and thank you for having invited me.
I am Rohan Sinanan. I am the Minister of Works and Transport in the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Firstly, it's really a privilege and an honor to be here as part of the Mahakum celebration. So I think I'm blessed to be invited to this function by the government of India. I must say, the experience I would have gained coming here, it's something that I can't explain. You have to actually be part of it to explain it. It's difficult to explain that there are millions of people and things are working. I would say not as smooth as you would think if there's 5,000 people, but we're thinking about there are millions of people here and you are actually accomplishing what you set out to do at the end of the day. So I want to congratulate the government of India, the organizers of this function. This function is very important because we are at a time where the world, the universe is challenged by climate change, by man-made disasters, things that are affecting our day-to-day
I am
life.
Dr. Mahanganga Prasad. I am the Education and Human Resource Minister of Mauritius, and it is a pleasure being in this Mahakumbh Mela. It is once in a lifetime experience. This morning we had the holy dip in the Triveni. You can't imagine how blessed I am after going through this experience. I was looking forward to attend this Kumbh Mela, and Shivji made it possible. I'm very thankful to the government of India. I'm thankful to the UP Minister, Chief Minister, for making it possible, and everyone who is associated with it.